Hello, this is your teacher, Professor Nirmal Kumar Swai, Department of Library and Information Science, MD University, Rohtak. Dear students, we are developing a series of modules through these lectures for your, especially for the doctoral students. It is all about research or academic integrity and plagiarism. So, under this data fraud, we unethical practice of the research data. So we categorize into three types. One is was data fraud, another was data fabrication, and now we will discuss about plagiarism. And in this module is all about plagiarism. Well, again under these concept plagiarism and related issues, we will have a couple of more modules, but in this lecture we will give a basic background of plagiarism is defined in a numerous ways. If you look into the internet literature or journal articles, it doesn't have a static definition, but no doubt this plagiarism is we are discussing plagiarism under research, unethical practice of research. Plagiarism, the broader part or the overall consensus gained through the definitions available is when you pass up something, someone else article, someone else writings and claim of its own. This is the basic fundamental definition of plagiarism. Someone has written and you are claiming someone else writings. Again, intricacies are also available, whether how do you justify or how to judge someone has written something. It may so happen you didn't exactly copy or pass up things from someone else writings, but still your writings or write-up can be judged as plagiarized. There are a couple of things. So plagiarism is all about this, and we discourage these unethical practice of doing. How rather I develop a catchword while giving lectures in different organizations. So this is a problem which begins with a language and it is rectified, and rather it begins with language and it ends with a language also. This is all about the writing style, writing narratives, writing practices of a scholar while writing a book, journal articles or doctoral dissertations. Again, through literature also you find different types of plagiarism, though there are not very fixed point of what exactly types of, but 2-3 types we can say. One is direct plagiarism or verbatim, sometimes we say, whenever we copy something from others writing and paste it, or you paste it or similarly replicate in your own writing and claim it is your own, then it is plagiarized, irrespective of whether the portions or the paragraph or number of words you have taken from some other writings, whether it is his own or again that is plagiarized. That is different issue and we will discuss somewhere else. Okay. And second one could be self-plagiarism. Self-plagiarism, like sometimes the authors, especially the newly inducted PhD students, they feel we have written it somewhere and it is our own and it is published somewhere. Why can't we reproduce those our own material in our next or a new write-up or new article? Sometimes they say, especially in case of science and technology, students chapter wise they publish it in journal articles or as research papers. But they submit their thesis later on, and they think it is our own. So I didn't plagiarize it or copy it from somewhere else, but it is your own writing. So you need to mention is that suppose you can reproduce your own previously written articles or write up your present article or write up, but you will reproduce it, or you will will introduce those write-ups or those paragraphs or words or sentences in your own newly written article or research papers, but as you will be considered like many others as authors. So in that case you need to quote or cite, citation will be there. So that is self-plagiarism, like people sometimes think. And there are many others, like suppose you paraphrase also. Paraphrase, third option is that there are little clever students or researcher, they read something from somewhere and they reproduce in their own words with retaining retaining the original thought of, although it is a controversial aspect of plagiarism, it's a paraphrase. So paraphrase is also kind of plagiarism if it is a wrong paraphrase. I am using a wrong paraphrase, and we will largely extensively discuss this paraphrasing issue in separate module. So remember, this wrong paraphrase is also kind of plagiarism. Then sometimes putting doing wrongly citations. Suppose you think I am citing, I am acknowledging the previous authors or the authors from whom I am borrowing materials. If it is not properly mentioned, there are also cases where you plagiarize. You don't plagiarize, but you paraphrase, or you mention the sources, but unfortunately you don't follow a particular style manual how to cite or how to mention those sources. So accordingly that will be. So there are many. So the case is not exactly whether you maintained the style or not, but again it will be another kind of. So there are different phases of different level of understanding of plagiarism. So we will, in this plagiarism aspect, will be stressed into 3 to 4 models, and how to combat or how to deter these plagiarism issues will be taken up in next modules. Bye bye.